Good morning, children. Today we'll start block 10, different people. Okay, in different people, our first topic is life in a city. In life in a city, how the people will have their life in a city, we will see in this topic. So open your reader, page number 64. That is your social reader, page number 64, children. Okay, open it. Yes, children, did everyone open your reader, page number 64? We are doing block 10, different people. In different people, what is our first topic? Life in a city. We all live in a different places. Some people live in cities, some in towns, and some in villages. Some people also live in forest and in the hills. Each way of living is different. Now we have so many people live in so many places. So let's read the life in a city. Life in a city. In a city, people mostly live in building or flats. They'll travel from one place to another in buses, cars, motorcycles, or auto rickshaw. Cities have places like restaurants and hotels where people can eat different kinds of food. They have markets, shopping malls, and cinema halls too. People living in a city go to office or factories to work. The number of people living in a city growing, leading to more traffic on the roads. Yes, children, people have a busy life here in the cities because they go to work. They have so many things, market, shopping malls, cinema halls, and they go for restaurants and hotels to eat different kinds of foods. And because of growing in the people living in city is growing, so we need to it's lead to more traffic in the roads. Nowadays you can see how the traffic in the roads, you travel, right? Yes, you can see here how the city in India, you can see tall buildings are there. Yes, this is the life in a city. We have read how the life in a city will be of people. We have read from the reader and we saw the picture also. Yes, children. Now how do people in city live? Yes, children, how they live? People living in a city live in a modern life. Okay, they live in buildings, that is tall buildings like flats and apartments. Mostly they live in tall buildings. Okay, they go from one place to another. How they will travel? They go from one place to another place by bus, car, scooter, motorcycle, or auto rickshaw. Yes, children, there are many places called restaurants and hotels also, which they can eat different kinds of food, and they can go and have fun in parks. They can have sports in stadiums. They have markets, malls, and cinema halls also. Yes, where people go and have fun. People go to office or factories to work or do their own business. In the cities only they can go for factories to work, offices, they can have their own business. They and they have good schools and colleges also in the cities. They usually lead a busy life, children. In the cities, they usually lead a busy life. Cities are crowded with wide roads and more vehicles also. Okay, children, I have one more question for you all. Why do you think the number of people who move to cities is increasing? Because they have nice facilities there. They can go by buses, cars, and motorcycles. And also they have different things. They have malls, cinema halls, and also have the parks, stadiums for sports, and they can have good schools and colleges. That's why they move from villages to cities are increasing more, because they have more facilities in the city. So that's why they are more interested in the cities, to come to cities and work here. And good colleges, schools are there, they can have more fun. Yes, children, but in cities we have mostly small families we have. Okay, children, now by this we finished our topic life in a city. Now everyone open your workbook, that is block 10 S1 volume 2 workbook. Children, open your volume 2 workbook. Children, now everyone open your volume 2 workbook, social volume 2 workbook, page number 10, that we are doing different kinds of people. Sorry, different people. Now first topic is S1, life in a cities. Write today's date till children, that is 19/10/2020. Let's read the first topic. Sorry, first bit. Take the pictures that show in city. Yes, children, You can see here 4 pictures. Train, metro train you can see in the cities. So ticket. In the cities you can't do all these things. So it's wrong. And this is the mall. So we find in the cities. Yes. And this is mostly they'll do a waving in the villages. So not this. So these both are in the city life. Let's read the second question. Raman lives on the 10th floor of building. Describe any two activities of his life. He is living on the 10th floor. So what facilities he will have and everything we will see. Raman would travel by car or bus to go to office because mostly in the cities we have some far offices, so they travel by car or bus to go to office. Raman can entertain himself by going to mall or watching a movie. Yes, children, in the cities we have cinema halls, parks, restaurants, everything. So he will go to entertain himself for malls and movies. So he is living in the 10th floor, right? How will come from down? So he will have a facility of lift to go up and down. So he can use lift to go down and up. So 10th floor we can come by steps, children. It will be more difficult for them. So they will have a lift. Write down these answers, children. Okay, let's see the third question. Farhan family is shifting to a city. Why do you think they are shifting? Yes, children, why do you think they are shifting from other place to the city? Because I have already told you that they have a more facility in the cities like schools, colleges, jobs, and everything. Mostly they'll shift for that only, and the transport also. Farah family may have shifted to the city for a better job or facilities like transport and market. Yes, children, you can write your own answers why the Farah is shifting and what his lifestyle will be. You can write the different answers by reading the topic from your reader, page number 64. Okay, children, these are the examples, but try to write your own answers. Okay, children, now everyone open your reader. Did everyone open your reader? Page number 67 you open, ma. You have here glossaries. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are 6 glossaries are as your keywords. Write keywords, ma. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These 6 are your keywords and also glossary. Write it down, children. Okay, now turn the page. Page number 68. Did you all turn page number 68? Here you have true or false. Copy all the questions and keep it. At the last we'll do the true or false. Okay, children, copy the questions and keep it. Okay. Now let's do the first question. Yes, children, third question is your first question. Take it out. First question. How do people in city travel? How do people in city travel, ma? By cars, buses. You have your answer here. Page number 64, you have the answer here. How they travel? Don't write they, write people here. Okay, people in cities. People in cities travel from one place to another in buses, cars, motorcycles, or auto rickshaw. This is your answer now. This is your question. How do people in cities travel? And this is page number 64. This is your answer. From people, cut they and write people in cities until auto rickshaw is your first answer. Okay, children? Complete your workbook. Read this topic and write the 6 glossaries. First write the keywords, 6 keywords, then write glossaries and turn the page. Write down the true or false. Only questions you write. In the last we'll do the answers. Okay, children, and the third question is your first question. Mark it as first question and write down the first answer. Okay, children, complete your workbook and classworks. In the next class, I'll show you the slip test paper and your portion is block 4, block 6 and block 9, children. Read this three blocks. Okay, children, your slip test will be in this 3 box. Okay, children, we'll see the slip test question paper in the next class. Till that, complete your classwork, workbook and read the topics from the reader. Okay, children, thank you.